Look at, so we're watching the Olympic hockey game. It's Canada versus the U.S. and it's going into overtime, the last day of the Olympics on February 28th.
Yes.
And so there's Jillian, Oliver, and Haley. I'm going to zoom in a little. Oh, there you go. And they're almost won. There'll be one tomorrow, next week this time. And there's David. There we go. Hi, everybody. And I'm going to walk around a little bit so you get a sense of our living room, which is our big playground. We slept today. We had a nap, but we haven't been up that long. Oh, I can't do that. That's a bit... All right.
Does she do that?
Oh, she can put her toes in her mouth. It's... Oh, there you go. Oh,